everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flour. This is Robin, and today I'm going to show you my weekly cleaning routine. In order to get everything accomplished for the week, I like to break things up into pieces that I can accomplish each day of the week. And so this is the schedule that I generally stick to. Of course, I live in the real world, so it doesn't always work out this way. Sometimes I double up on tasks, but for the most part, my week goes very smoothly when I follow this schedule. Monday is my laundry day, and I wash all of our clothes. I start by sorting everything into 4 different piles. I have a hot wash, a warm wash, a cold wash, and then a separate cold wash for my delicate items. I'm still using my homemade laundry detergent, and that video has become quite popular, so if you guys are interested in the recipe, I will have that linked in the description box below. Whenever I use my homemade laundry detergent, I always use vinegar in place of fabric softener. And the vinegar does a great job of making sure that no buildup accumulates in our clothes. It keeps our washing machine clean, and it's a great substitute for fabric softener. I do switch back and forth between my laundry detergent and a commercial detergent, and the one that I really like the most is the Method in the mango ginger scent. So I do use that periodically, and I also use the Laundress delicate wash for my delicate cycle. Using wool dryer balls is another way to eliminate the need for fabric softener. They are all natural and chemical free. They keep everything moving in the dryer, which really reduces the drying time, and that helps keep your clothes looking newer longer because it reduces the wear and tear on your clothes. They also do a great job of cutting down on static. My favorite way to care for our shirts is to put them in the dryer for just about 10 minutes. I have a damp dry signal on my dryer that will alert me when the time is right for pulling them out. Then I will hang them up to dry. And this is a really efficient way to take care of them. It cuts down on energy costs, but it also helps cut down on ironing, and it really does extend the life of our shirts. Anything from the load that I don't want to hang and dry, I just put back in the dryer and let it finish drying. And then I have just a few items to fold, and I'll do that quickly right here in the laundry room. For my dresses, I will pull them right out of the washer and hang them to dry. They will have some wrinkles that I will take care of with the steamer or the iron later, and I don't mind having a few things to do each week. Tuesday is my second laundry day, and on this day I will wash all of the sheets and towels. Usually bring down his sheets and towels first thing in the morning, so his load is usually going right after breakfast. And when it's ready, I just put everything in the basket for him, and he'll take it upstairs and put everything away and make up his own bed. Usually all of the shirts that I have left to dry are ready by the next day, so I'll put those away, and anything that needs to be ironed I'll also take care of on Tuesday. I keep a basket in my laundry room where I collect all of my e-cloths throughout the week, and that is the last load of laundry that I'll do. I always wash those separately because when you wash them with other laundry, they will accumulate all of the lint from those things and become ineffective over time. So this is the way that I preserve them and have them working for a long time. We do have 2 sets of sheets and 2 sets of towels for each of us, but most weeks I will just wash all of the towels and put them right back in the bathroom and wash all of the sheets and put them right back on the bed. I have just found this to be the easiest, quickest, and most efficient way to handle our sheets and towels. I do switch them out with the other set probably once a quarter or so, but on a weekly basis, this is how I handle them. I always get a lot of questions about this little basket that I keep between our pillows. We like to keep our remote controls in there. We have the television remote control and also one for our bed, which is a sleep number bed. The basket keeps them neatly corralled so that we can easily find them when we want to use them, and it also eliminates the problem of accidentally turning on the television during the middle of the night. Wednesday is the day that I like to clean our bathrooms, and I usually do things pretty much the same way in the same order just to make things more efficient. And so I usually start off by spraying down the bathtub, and I do the same in the toilet so that the cleaners that I use can start doing their job while I'm doing some other cleaning in the bathroom. Lately I have been using a homemade cleaner, and it contains rubbing alcohol and essential oils, so it does a really good job of disinfecting almost all of the surfaces in our home, and it's safe for things like granite and natural stone. The recipe for this cleaner is in the description box below, and I also have my referral link to the Grove Collaborative where I buy the glass bottle. My secret for keeping the fixtures and the mirrors in our bathrooms streak-free and also free of water spots is by drying them very thoroughly with the window polishing cloth from eCloth. I love the products from eCloth, and you will see me using them throughout today's video. And of course I have a referral link for them in the description box as well in case you guys are interested in checking out their products. countertop is so much faster and easier when I remove everything before I start cleaning. And as I return each item to the countertop, I give them a thorough cleaning as well. Before I finish in the bathroom, I like to do a quick vacuum and mop. And I don't clean the shower as part of my weekly cleaning because we do that every day. The last one in the shower always wipes everything down thoroughly with a microfiber cloth from eCloth. And then we spray down the shower with a daily shower cleaner such as Method, or I have a recipe for a homemade one which I'm going to be showing you guys in a future video. Upstairs, I help out our son Peyton by cleaning his toilet and sink top, but he handles the rest of the bathroom cleaning. We have two other bathrooms, one for our son Kyle, who's away at college, and a guest bathroom, and they are not part of my weekly cleaning program because they aren't used on a regular basis, so they're cleaned on an as needed or as used basis. Thursday is the day I do our dusting, and my favorite tool by far is the extendable duster from eCloth. And here I have it detached from the handle, but it has a handle that can extend to reach all of the high areas in our home. So with one tool, I can pretty much take care of all the different surfaces and nooks and crannies in our home. Dusting is one of the fastest jobs that I have scheduled out for the week. So if I have a busy week, this is probably the one that I would double up with another day just to give me a free day, or if I had a day that I just wasn't able to get to everything. And with that said, this schedule I loosely adhere to. So there are lots of weeks when I can't get each thing done on the day where I plan, but because I do them on a regular basis, I can quickly double or even triple up on the different tasks. And if something happens and it doesn't get covered this week, it's going to get covered the next week, so I don't worry about it. Dusting all of the shutters throughout our home is not part of my weekly dusting routine. I manage to get to all of those when I zone clean those areas, so it's about 8 weeks for each of them, although sometimes when they look like they need it sooner, I'll go ahead and do it. But in our master bedroom, I really like to do it on a weekly basis because this is a room where we're spending so much time and we're sleeping, so I try to keep this as dust-free as possible, and Peyton also makes sure to dust the shutters in his room when he's doing his cleaning weekly. the day that I do the vacuuming and mopping, and I get some help from the Roomba, which runs in our main living room and kitchen area. Because we have a pet who does a lot of shedding, it really helps. But on Fridays, I like to do a thorough vacuuming throughout the house, and then I follow by mopping. And my goal with my weekly cleaning routine is to get as many things done throughout the week as I can to prepare our house for the weekend. We just like to relax and enjoy our time together as a family. We usually do most of our entertaining on the weekends, and so that way I don't have to worry about the house being prepared for guests or have anything held over my head that would prevent me from enjoying time with the family over the weekend. I am a work from home mom and a stay at home mom, so I understand that this schedule is not going to work for everyone. This is what works for me and our family, and the point of this video is to just share with you what I do so that you can be encouraged to set up a schedule that works for you and your family and your current season or situation in life. I do think that it's really helpful to make a list of the tasks that you want to have done on a weekly basis and then schedule them somehow into your plan for the week so that you can get on top of things and not always feel like you're behind the 8 ball and just struggling to catch up and keep on top of things. And in today's video, you're only seeing me do the cleaning, but my husband does a lot of the outside cleaning and he helps me around the house quite a bit. And also our son Peyton really helps me out with cleaning the upstairs. He does his room, his bathroom, and most of the dusting and vacuuming upstairs. So I would also encourage you to enlist the help of your family members if you have them to help you keep on top of things as well. By seeing the tasks and the plan that I have for accomplishing my weekly cleaning routine, I hope it gave you some ideas and some inspiration for creating a list of your own and then scheduling it into your week so that you can keep on top of things. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Subscribing is absolutely free, and if you activate the bell icon, you can be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really enjoy spending this time with you and look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.